Today we're making bagels. A couple pro tips if you want to be a New Yorker. Order your bagel with confidence. Repeat yourself often and tell everyone that your bagel shop is the best one in town, even if they go to the same one. Let's make some bagels. I made 2 batches of my friend Jesse's bagel recipe. First one didn't turn out so great. It was a really wet dough. It was super sticky and difficult to work with. Plus it had an open crumb / texture, which since it's a bagel, it's not supposed to have. It was delicious, but it wasn't a bagel. Turns out your boy added a ½ cup less flour than he was supposed to. So I said, you dingus, let's make it again. And so I did. Begin by adding 350 grams or 1½ cups of water, 11 grams of yeast, and 25 grams or 1 tablespoon of molasses. Dissolve and make sure the yeast is active and foamy. Then add 675 grams or 4 cups of all-purpose flour and 11 grams or 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. And mix for 10 minutes. Now, this can be done by hand. It's actually not difficult at all. But today, I felt super lazy. Once the gluten has developed and the dough is smooth, place it in a bowl, covered, and let it rise for 90 minutes or until doubled in size. After the dough is risen, portion the dough into 150-gram portions for some mega New York bagels. That will give you exactly 7 equal bagels. That's pleasing. Roll them into a log with a uniform thickness, then wrap the ends around 4 fingers with an inch or so of overlap and roll on the seam like so. I put mine on parchment because I thought they might stick without flour like last time. Fun fact, they didn't. So if you think yours might stick, feel free to add a light dusting of flour. Let them rise for 30 minutes while you preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and you prep your water bath. I used 4 cups of water and a 1/4 cup of honey, though brown sugar will also be fine. Bring it to a boil before giving the proofed bagels a 15-second bath on each side. Keep in mind, it shouldn't be a rolling boil. Trust me, I'm a professional. Sound mixer. Next, brush them with a simple egg wash. 1 egg with a splash of water. Then add your favorite toppings. Keep them plain, everything but the bagel seasoning, or just sesame seeds. Whatever you want, it'll be fine. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. These are great for lox and bagels, tofu cream cheese, bacon, egg, and cheeses even, or any schmear of your choice. The part you have to be careful with is the water bath. If you leave them in too long, they can get a little tough, so just keep it on the shorter side and you'll get the classic chewiness that bagels are known for. Plus, they're super easy to make and eat, so even if you make a mistake, you'll have another batch within a couple days that you can experiment with one adjustment at a time, of course. So trust yourself, have fun, you'll be okay.